Mufaro, our 25 feet Flamenca is for sale. We've had Mufaro now for about 3 years, and we started off in Gordons Bay for about a year, whereafter we relocated to Saldanha Bay Yacht Club, and we started exploring the Langebaan Lagoon. We've had numerous amazing experiences with friends and our family of 5, sleeping over for multiple nights, for more than a weekend, between Kraal Bay and Oudepost and Shark Bay, all over the Langebaan Lagoon. If you're familiar with flamencas, you'll agree that she's a very solid boat. She sits really well in the water and she handles well. Whether it's sailing from Gordons Bay to Simonstown through Falls Bay, whether it's sailing out of the lagoon into the ocean, whether it's club racing, we've had 30 plus knots of winds numerous times and without any problems. It's actually very exciting. The only reason why we are selling Mufaro is that we unexpectedly bought a bigger yacht, so we didn't plan on selling her. That's the reason for selling. Let's see everything that's included in the sale of Mufaro. Spinnaker pole, stack back where we recently redone the stitching, and there's some of the other things that's also included in the sale. Mufaro has a basic solar system. She has a VHF radio on the inside. She has custom-made cushions at the back, which makes it really comfortable in the cockpit. Mufaro has a 5 horsepower Mariner long shaft outboard engine, but the engine does need a bit of attention. In March 2024, we've anti-fouled Mufaro, and we've also painted the hull on the outside. That, together with painting on the inside, was done with international paint from Seaport. The interior is a lovely open space design, quite spacious for its size. We've removed all the old style wooden fittings recently, also in March, and repainted it so she's clean and fresh. There's a futon mattresses in the front. Overall, she comfortably sleeps 4 people. And the interior is now all freshened up and ready for the new owner to decide what you'd like to do. All the jibs are hang-on style. We've also recently had the mainsail done by Ullman Sails to convert it to sliders to make the hoisting and the lowering so much easier. Included in the sail is also the fender or small rubber duck, which is perfect for getting back and forth to the mooring in Saldanha. Recently touched up as well. Mufaro is moored at Saldanha Bay Yacht Club, and if you're planning on keeping Mufaro at the club, then the mooring equipment will be included. If you're looking for a flamenca, then you know what you're looking for. If you are new to sailing and this is something that you want to get into, I'll be more than happy to assist and advise and guide you through the process. Mufaro is a great yacht, and the selling price for everything included is 59,000 Rand. If you need more information, please do get in touch.